page from Canapino. It's asking for help. They are admitted since May 4 daw sa EPMC, and they cannot, they don't know how they will go home. So that's why better na kami na lang yung maghatid.
You know, we can't give money to everybody. We can afford it. But when there's times that you can help, it doesn't always mean you have to give money. You can help out. And we're not saying this for self-recognition. We're just showing people how easy it is to help other people when there's need, because it's what Canapino is about. It's what I always wanted it to be about. It was just helping people in our communities.
It's very true. Hindi naman, you don't need money, you don't need to be rich to help. It's just a simple free ride for someone that need ride. According to her, she has this kid that just came out from the hospital, and then another one at home that doesn't have daw 3 years old with problem also. So kaya at least we can get a little bit for the family for tonight and tomorrow. So ganun lang naman ang mga bagay. We can always help others. Sabi ka namin, you don't need to be rich kasi hindi kami mayaman to help. There's always a lot of ways to do that. So we'll wait, we'll see them later.
Yung mga, kung kaya nga lang ni Madam, yung hapunan sa ngayon at para bukas, malay mo merong makakanood nito na pwedeng magbigay ng karagdagan hanggat nag-a-adjust pa si Mami, diba? Dahil hindi nga siya makapag-work dahil nga nag-aalaga sa kanyang anak. So it's a big help for them kung may magandang loob uli na magbibigay ng konti para ma-continue natin yung tulong doon sa mag-ina for meantime nga na wala pang trabaho yung nanay.
So we're gonna pick up something man dito today. They have kids daw. We're in a rush kasi nagmamadali. Ay, kasi naghintay na sila sa amin. Ay, Romina.
Price ako.
Pilang daw ka mo sa hospital?
13.
May 13?
Di pa ko tangan kami ya paluwa. Sabi ko pinili ko na-stuck kami daw.
Napano si ano?
Sa inyong ma'am, kidney infection.
Ah.
Acute gastroenteritis.
Pero okay naman. Nakumpleto naman niya so antibiotics na
May
lang.
antibiotic program yan.
Ano kasi si Mami, meron siya ng 5 anak, 4 pa yung nandito. Yung isa nagkasakit, it's a 15 years old. So hindi siya nakapagtrabaho, solo parents daw po siya. So actually po, pati po yung pag-uwi talaga nila Mami, mahirap na, nasirapan na silang maka-uwi after sa hospital kasi hindi naman nakapagtrabaho si Mami. So if anyone na may good heart, na maybe for tomorrow at least matulungan ng konti muna si Ma'am hanggat maka-recover sila. Ang ganda naman. May sakit din daw si Bunso.
Dino. Like little bats, Dino. Same color.
Yeah, may sakit din daw to. So kung may mga mabubuting puso po that can help.
Thank you for reaching out to us.
Certainly.
Oh, thank you. 'Cause we're always looking for ways we can help.
Yeah.
And we can't do it financially, but at least if we can help a little bit, it's...
Thank you. Thank you. So, bibigay din natin kay Mami. Ilan lahat? O may ulam na rin kayo mamaya na. Thank you.